Hey yo, it's your girl KB. I'm here represent for the one and only Zooskull. Yeah man, the baddest vlog about the place. So I want everybody subscribe to my YouTube channel for the latest in the dancehall. You see me? Me a girl, TikTok on it, boom, make it clap on it, boom, it's like a ball wine, like banana spine on it. Yeah man, Zooskull, you don't know it go.
American citizen. It's a Donald Trump moment. Blood class, we kill ya. Let me get some more.
Why you with the father?
Today I'm a kill it.
Active one night time and night. Baby shower.
Today I kill it one time because our baby, it's a baby shower moment.
I know what I'm baby pull up at the baby shower moment.
Yeah, I'm here.
No, I'm
a baby shower they have here, cause we don't want too much people at baby shower figuring a problem and shoot at the baby shower and everything there.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And less than 3 man reach their foot, man.
You're mad.
Alright, my God. We out here.
Where you go? Pull up. Activate.
Pull up.
Connect fry eye.
Alright, I'll act.
Fully.
Yeah.
One Teebone in the Popcaan universe. They learn. What plan you know? If you don't smoke weed, you don't want to try it. Enter the life, you know. Remember me tell some old man in no bother put up woman picture and go like no one screech here and I say, you know, come here this to me and I say, you know. Yeah, I said never want, you know. One before the place get crazy, yeah? Good night.
Good night.
Why are you wearing braces? Ladies, fingers. Take a chance. Lord, I don't know where that woman they go. That guy man fall in a room or something. Street. Black pig. Why? The hombre said I want to nice me got bono. Yo, why not nice me?
What?
So, we never fear them. Oh my God. Why? It's supposed to be a birthday, but we don't see it. You don't know now. How are you, girl?
I'm good. I hope you're coming to Australia one of these days.
You're going to come to Jamaica on December 31st.
I need an Esther.
A lie.
Yeah, I got... Long story.
Oh, you got to pull up the concert if you have that Gaza tattoo on your skin.
That is true. That is true. I'll need to go through Canada.
Moment.
I'll go through Canada, yeah?
Yeah, you're fine. Okay, have a lovely night now, okay?
Alright, here we go.
Lifestyle.
Ancient's Pet was the best reality show in the world.
Oh.
I never seen a mad girl run. I knew that.
I have to do an exchange with 500 girl at that time.
Well, I'm probably... I'm out.
Ladies, fingers. Bumbleclad. Hey, I can't bother you somehow upon a bumbleclad like that. You don't want to know this. No. Hey, Chuckstar, don't do it, you know, boy. Don't do that. Don't this nobody gonna see foot by ya. Hear me, I want to know tonight. Alright. Don't let me tell you that again. Don't this nobody will try to forward for the life and show love, yeah? I think who got to know? When the survey if the baby shower starting. Yeah. Shalom. Cool. What one? A nose. Yeah, man. Hey, when you go listen to each other, me and Santa Blacks. Santa Blacks, I'm a star, you know. Getting it fast? Yeah. Pick up Santa Blacks anyway. The whole of Spanish town, you see me? Getting it fast. We get the money and we. The people that are in our life, don't tell me some sensible things. Because some man does they are look at fuck you are telling no friend. I mean, I don't mix up to tell me. So I feel like I can afford from blood clot popcorn life in the night to hear some mix up you are telling no friend. Nah, girl, you know. Oh, because there's a kill time you got baby shower. You learn. Yeah. Unruly state, yeah. Getting it fast. Sure. Yeah, big up my Gambian family. You know the Gambian name ever representing no man. Jamaican assassination killer. Yeah, Korea. Sister like mix up me a bit. You know?
Hello.
It's a lifestyle moment.
How are you doing, sir?
I'm fine. I'm in Jamaica. I'm chilling with Joel, my nephew.
I'm in Canada. I am chilling as well. How are you doing?
Canada is our hometown.
Of course. Anytime, sir. How are you? Nice to be on your live.
Yeah.
I don't see you though. Why? I can't see you.
No, I don't really go on Instagram live and those things. You know, I'm just killing some time right now. I'm waiting to go to a baby shower right now. You know what I'm
Okay,
saying?
you're turning up for a baby shower?
Yes, to see if it's a boy or a girl.
Oh, I hope it's twins, a boy and girl. Good luck to the celebrants.
Right. Yeah, I wish that too as well. It's actually twins.
I hope you come to visit. You always come to Toronto. Make sure you come to Vancouver. You only came to Vancouver once. And I met you when you came. But you need to come back to Vancouver.
Yeah, I will soon. Don't worry. I'm going to do a
Okay.
Canadian tour soon.
You make sure you come. Make sure you pull through, bro. Because you only came once and we need you back in Vancouver one more time.
Why? I'm going to be there again. Don't worry.
It was lit, man, when you came. It was in the beginning of your music career. I wish you come back again, bro. Like, it's serious.
When I come this time, it's gonna be a lifestyle moment.
want to be. I cannot wait. And I am proud of you. And keep up the good work. Okay?
Thank you. Have a good night.
You too, sir. Take care.
Lifestyle. Oh, Popcaan. Yo. Hold on there. See me kill ya. Jamaican assassination killer.
The map.
Blood clot. Serious, wagwan, serious. Hey, wagwan.
Dominican Republic. Popcaan.
Yo. And Dominican Republic you come from?
Dominican Republic. I'm
Okay. So if you're from Dominican Republic, I want you to translate something for me, okay? What? If you say you're from Dominican Republic, right?
Yes, Dominican Republic.
Okay. What do Dominicans mean when they say Ikwe puta?
You never say Dominican Republic?
What do they mean when they say Ikwe puta in Dominica?
Hijo de puta. Hijo de puta, marica. Dominican Republic, colombiana.
Colombiana.
Me, Dominicana. Jamaica.
Dominicana.
I love Jamaica.
You love Jamaica. I love Dominican Republic too as well, girl.
Yes, I love you, baby.
You gotta teach your friends about the fingers.
I got friends with you. You need to call me Dominican Republic. I love your music.
Yeah, I'll come there one day though. Don't worry, I'll come there one day, okay?
Okay.
Okay.